my screen and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I told you, bro. She said no. It was due at 9 a.m. Like, bruh, 9 a.m. was 2 hours ago. Fuck it. Especially, this is the thing. As a person, nigga, I know, like you said, did they already pick their person? They probably didn't. You feel me? They might be close. Yeah, bro. Amazon just went to $1, man. They might be close, but it was just due. So 9 times out of 10, they still gonna watch shit unless they found the one that they wanted. But with the fact that it was sent by my manager, when I submit it, it's gonna go through her first. So she's just not gonna send the shit.
Yeah.
It'd be a waste of time to even shoot it now. But in my opinion, it's not a waste of time to submit. It's still less than 6 hours late. But with the fact she's gonna have to, you feel me, send it through, it's not even worth it. Man, it's my fault, bro. Last night I kicked it with a bitch. Sunday night I was hanging out with this girl I really like. If I wasn't with her, I would have been going through my email. I would have realized I had some shit to do yesterday morning. It would have been no problem.
So was she worth it is the question.
Fuck no.
You don't like her no more?
Not enough to give up money, bro. You feel me? This is at the point where we've been seeing each other long enough where she hasn't added anything to my life. You feel me? Outside of me enjoying the time I spent with her. Nigga, I enjoy the time I spend alone. So I'm not gonna put it on her. It's not her fault at all. She didn't do shit and she didn't know. It's just a nigga not being on top of his priorities when it comes to scheduling and planning. I could say it's because, but long story short, a nigga wasn't on top of his calendar and his schedule. I have been running around a lot and I've been working 12-hour shifts, bro. So that's part of the reason why. But no excuses. I know I need better organization.
That's facts. You know what? You know it.
Really, I just be trying to do way too much shit. You see, niggas started off the day trading. First couple trades went left. Niggas back on social media. You know, they say there's no such thing as balance when you first trying to get it. So
Oh, that's facts. Power timing. Whatever's going on in between that shit right here.
and the girl I was with last night. Shit, nigga, I'm saying all this shit on YouTube. Like, I ain't even mad at it. It is what it is. I'm just telling the truth.
You ain't lying, you ain't lying.
Yeah, no, little shorty I was with last night. Oh, damn, that's what I was looking for. But yeah, at the end of the day, it has nothing to do with them and just more to do with what I should have been doing. And I'm saying Amazon was doing what I wanted. It was already recovered back almost to 258. So whatever. Gotta stop thinking about it. All right. So what stocks do I want to look for the rest of the week? I know personally I like SPX. And I should have took that put, bro. At 76.20, I was here, bro. I could have wrote it from 76.20 to 76.06. Nice little 14-point move, bro. I'm sitting here looking at it and I had the levels drawn already.
No, those hurt the worst.
I don't even think I have anything I need to look for on this one. I got levels. I have no expectation for tomorrow, what it's going to do. QQQ. Let's see. Right now, its high is 746.20. And it has resistance at 746.11. Oh, if it breaks that again, we in the green. Mm, right now, it's trying to get back up. 744.60, 745. So if it breaks 745, 745, we got room back to 746. Really, if it breaks 744, we're going back to 742. What time is it right now? 1 o'clock? 2 o'clock? It's 2 o'clock over there? Yeah.
2 o'clock my time. If you're talking to me, dog.
Yeah. The market closed in an hour and a half. Yeah, I don't think I'm about to take no more plays today. I'm just get set up for the rest of the week. I feel like I got too many lines on SPY. I wonder where the Shay went. I'm glad you told that nigga he was loud today, because he act like I was tripping yesterday. For real. 'Cause I'm like, bro, you just came in like he, like you said, bro. I'm excited. I hear you, my nigga. But it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, the nigga come in blazing, bro.
Alright, chill, doggy, chill.
Like, bro, I'm glad you're here, my nigga.
I'm not saying fuck you. I'm just saying my earlobes, like, this is the
You're saying
first
that's
hour
good.
of the morning, bro, and I'm waking up with your voice louder than my thoughts. This nigga said my mic is loud. I can't. I'm sorry.
Let me know on the mic, nigga.
I was like, the mic might be all the way up, but mine is too. This nigga, actually, I know it's not just the mic, because yesterday he was like, well, turn me down. I was like, bro, the headphones wasn't in my ear, and I could still hear you.
Yeah, nigga.
It's like Italy was responding. I did not hear Italy's responses. I think it's funnier just because I don't be around that nigga no more. So it's like growing up, I already knew what it was. Now it's like, oh yeah, I forgot.
I can picture this nigga getting on the market and getting on chat and talking every single day, bro.
That nigga be excited than a bitch. I already know.
That's the funny thing.
Also, it was funny as hell. This nigga was telling us about his meeting and everything. He said, bro, what the hell are you talking about?
Right, nigga. We talking about we over here trying to lock in.
I was also glad you said that too, because that's all I was thinking. I was like, wait, what? I'm not about to say nothing because
I had to, bro. I had to.
he's like, what are you talking about, bro?
I'm liking QQQ. It just formed a W, bro.
You about to get in it today, or are you looking forward for tomorrow?
Nigga, I'm a today type of nigga.
Tag it today. The W on the what?
On the 5 minute. Get a $30 call. These are my last two plays of the day.
What up, Whimsy? Yeah. What are you about to get in? A call for 746?
Yup, for $30, nigga.
It's only 30?
Yeah.
What's the 745?
I don't even know, nigga. I'm not even looking no more. I got two. I'm also in an IWM call. It broke my love. You could look at my screen if you see it.
Shit. You
No
said
NWM. I need.
QQQ call for 746, 28 cent. What's the open interest? 4,000 people are in it right now. Should I grab one? Shit,
See what
fuck it.
happens. Oh,
I'm with you,
uh-oh.
Coon. How do I open it on here? I might not be with you, Cooney.
All right.
I'm trying to figure out how to
Sometimes.
trade it on the computer.
Whoa, uh-oh, it's forming that W, nigga.
Oh, missed it.
No,
Yeah,
still got to
bro. It already
confirm.
went up $7.
Yeah, I'm up 24%.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, I'm over here trying to figure out how to open it on the computer, bro. 'Cause I always just do it from the phone. All right, it went back to 30. I liked it when it was not 28. You feel me?
Yeah. I got my play of the day in IWM, bro. My biggest order of the day.
All right. I just picked up the phone and did it. Damn. All right. How do I sell from here? Accounts. All right. QQQ down 7%. Unlock trade. Yeah, I don't like this on the computer, bro. It would be taking too many steps. All right, I bought in at 30. Damn, 32. All right.
Oh, you got NC dot?
Yeah.
Oh, that was risky, nigga.
Ew, you didn't?
Oh, I'm in.
No, it's definitely not the best
I
play.
didn't wait for the 5 minute. I didn't wait for the 5 minute close.
It's definitely
I
not
need.
the best call.
Like, I need IWM to go up, nigga. Setting a stop loss at 115. No, dude. They really be seeing stop losses though, don't they? On IWM, flip around, nigga, flip around, man. This is the play of the day. IWM. Let's take off. What is video doing right now? It's like this.
Let's see. QQQ.
We might need to get out of QQQ, bro.
And still got an open interest of 4,000 on 16% chance. What's the actual chart doing?
Looking at it right now.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Honestly, I feel like we probably just shouldn't have got in it. For real, for real. I told myself I was done for today.
Yeah, I don't know why you got in, nigga. I'm over here. I did a cheap little play. Yeah, I'm getting out.
You said it was forming that W. That's why I jumped in.
I still believe in it. Honestly, just a pussy ass bitch today, dog.
I mean, 745.
Honestly, when we should have got in is when it closed like above. That was a little early. But dude, when nigga was getting in, the video was going up.
Oh yeah, dog. It's going down. I think it's about to go retest 743. 743.80.
Damn, It's play of the day. It's all I got left.
And it's already really extended too. That's something else, bro, because it hit 746 today. So it's not like it didn't have a nice little ride up.
Yeah.
Yeah, niggas is delusional right now.
That was my fault. I didn't think you was. I thought you were dumb. Bro. I was just calling my shit out in my head. But honestly, that is a W though.
I mean, I see the W. It's a little W.
And I trust in that, but obviously you want to wait for confirmation. You just don't want to see something and then go
You
for
looking
it.
at the 5?
Yeah, that's the.
Oh, wow.
Let me.
I mean,
Yeah, that's the 5.
it's still within range.
Right. Oh yeah, next candle, this shit can go right back up.
I just looked at the 1 minute.
No. The play of the day is not going good. Damn, bro.
Oh yeah, bro. Look at the 1. It's a big W, but it kind of already reclaimed. It tried to, and it couldn't hold it. And it broke above 745 and then fell back below. Yeah, that candle at what 213 was low key the confirmation, bro, because it tried to break out and then it dropped back below.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah. I keep breaking my rule of waiting till candles close before entering.
You see it on the 1 minute?
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Yeah, right there. Exactly. That little what is it? Wick. The end of that wick right there is definitely showing.
Yeah. But the good thing is it broke structure and now it's just forming a higher. That was a higher high. This is probably the lower low. We probably sold a little too soon, being pussies.
I'm still in.
Oh, you still in?
I'm still in.
Nice. This could go either way.
I mean, it always could go either way.
Yeah.
But no, you got to reclaim that 745 for it to do anything. And really, it's already 2:30. We late in the day. What you sell for? Like a $9 loss?
$5 holla.
5?
Yeah, I think I lost $5, $6.
I think that Amazon got me the most sick today.
Amazon got us both days. Amazon might be one of our plays, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, I didn't even notice. You know what a head and shoulders pattern is?
Yeah.
Apple formed a head and shoulders pattern and broke down. We're really not too late to the party. We only got $5 buying power, so I'm done for the day. But damn.
Yeah, bro, I don't see QQQ continuing. It needs to cool off for the day. Where's the RSI? The RSI is in the middle. What's good, Grandpa?
Grandpa? Like your real grandpa? Or
my grandpa?
Are you playing?
Not alive. No, on live. Somebody's name is Grandpa.
Got you. Now this is another thing. You see my screen?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a 2 minute. Never mind. Oh, it might not be as valid. But on the 2 minute and 3 minute on Amazon, it's forming that M. I'm about to act like I'm trading it and see how it will play out.
Yeah, bro, I don't have faith in this QQQ no more.
Come on, play of the day, bro. don't do me wrong today. I need this. This is my last chance to make any money, bro. Or I'm gonna be down $40 on the day.
I feel like this is done for the day. If anything, it got more downside. I had that nice little green hour. That's crazy. QQQ went straight up for an hour, dog.
No way. We missed the whole. No way, bro.
I'm looking at the hour candle, dog, or the hour time frame. It went from 7:42 to 7:45:36, and it never broke back down more than what, 50 cent in an hour.
That's why I'm tired of talking about it,
Bro,
bro.
that's
Maybe
what
this
I'm
to be
saying,
about.
bro. We just gotta follow our first inclination and ride with it. The only time we be taking L's is when we sell out too soon, bro.
Too soon, man. That's why I'm trying to hold this play of the day, man.
I said I was just charting. How I end up in another call.
Yeah, bro. What did you get in? What was that?
In QQQ, I bought a 746 for 32 cents. Right now, we struggling to break 74.50. 744.50.
Yeah, as long as this holds right here, though, this creating higher highs, higher lows. I wouldn't sell out until it breaks 44.27. Might as well make it 44.20.
Yeah, I think it's going to the downside for sure. It just hit 74.
But nigga, get out. Why? I forgot it's a call. Why you still in the call if you think it's going down, bro?
He right.
Yeah, Nvidia's pushing down.
Mainly because
oil.
it's playing with that line right there. Is if it could hold 744.50, I'll have some faith in it. Because it hit it, but as soon as it hit it, it tried to break below.
Mm-hmm.
Really, I guess it's all in this candle right here. This is it's 11:25. So it's about to be the close of a 5-minute.
Yeah, you might want to see what this next candle of oil do, because if it shoots down, you might get a little push up.
I said I'm about to go live trading, bro. Tell me why. I didn't even have the charts live. It was just me sitting here talking to you.
No way.
Yeah, bro. I mean, it's cool. It's actually funny because when I first started, I didn't have TikTok going. And then I started TikTok, and then I just looked down and realized that YouTube and Facebook was just my face sitting here talking to you. See, bro, exactly. It just went above 744.50, but it didn't hold. Yeah. It need to hold that bitch.
Come on, let me ride this wave with you. WIM, bro. I don't got no more smoke, bro. I got some little roaches, thing.
See, it's holding above. Just give me that 50 cent push. Just give me that 50 cent push.
Yeah, that was good diamond hands for sure.
Really don't know how I feel.
Shit about to go to 745, nigga.
QQQ?
Yeah, I can see it. You just gotta get past this last one distance here, bro.
The thing is, it's been moving in pretty like chunky increments, bruh. So like, if it's about to do it, it's about to do it. I ain't really
Yeah,
know
what
if
another
ands.
thing that I learned is sometimes before a breakout, it consolidates right underneath the breakout. And it's consolidating. Obviously it's gonna sound cliche, but obviously if it breaks out, it's called a squeeze, so it's gonna break out pretty big.
It's just I feel like we late enough in the day that if it was going to, it would be showing more signs. If anything, I feel like it's just gonna teeter right here. You feel me? And just tease niggas all day, and then either break out or break below right at open.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm like, I won't say worried, but that's what I'm like aware of is the fact that it is chopping so close within this what 20-30 cent range, bro. Is literally dancing between 744.30 and 744.50s. And so it
Mm-hmm.
could just do that for the next 30 minutes and just kill time. That's my biggest concern is that it's just gonna kill time inside that range.
Type shit. You definitely need time. Yeah. What's your percentage on it right now?
I'm down $11, almost 50%, bro. Just because it was so cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, 39%, bro.
And if you wanna hold as long as it's to me, as long as it's staying above 744.25.
I'm saying 744.30.
There you go. No, play of the day, keep going up. No, don't take me out. No, it's on 25%. It's all the way down to 5, bro.
What's good, Blue? What's good, Candy?
So my nigga got Grandpa, Blue, and Candy all in the same chat right now. That's crazy.
I'm over here opening my phone each time to go look at it. I still got it up on the computer screen.
Come on, play of the day. This is ooh, you still holding, Chuck?
Yeah. There we go.
What I tell you, nigga?
There we go. And see, like I said, if we break that 744.50, I think we could continue to 745. If we hit 745, I'm back in the green. I'm honestly just gonna set a sell right now.
On play of the day, bro. Don't go weak on me now, nigga. I think it's trying to take my stop loss out for real.
Yeah, that was a nice little green break off.
Oh, that shit's about to go. But I'm looking at Apple.
Let's go.
Damn, I only got.
Let's go. Let's get that 30 cent continuation, 20 cent continuation, 20 cent. We got 20 cent. We got 20 cent. We got 20. We're not even asking for the whole 50 cent. Only thing is, if it touches at 745 again, I feel like it's probably just gonna break back below.
Let's go. Play of the day. Let's break out, nigga. Just got to a $3 Apple call. I ain't make thirsty ass.
$3.
It was $3, and I'm up $1, 33% already, nigga. What you gotta say, nigga?
You stupid. How much do you expect to make off of it?
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I just wanted to spend my last $5, nigga.
Well, take your dollar and call it a day.
Nah, nigga, I'm gonna let that. Let's see if that's where it go.
And see,
I just need. I need IW.
what up, Karen?
IWN.
What up, Velvet?
What up, Booty Cake? Bro, do I just settle for $15 right now on the play of the day?
It had that big ass pop and it already fell. I mean, it hasn't gone back to the 744.50, but that's how you know, bro. It's probably 20,000 people in there just waiting for a 50-cent pop.
Or at least half the contracts, I'm on play of the day. Let's do this, nigga. This means everything to me. This play of the day right here, bro. Might be the end of my trading career for real. Because I'm too broke to keep losing time. Because I could be working morning shifts making money.
Nah, I hear that.
I told them niggas I'm a day trader, nigga, so I can only work nights, nigga. I could be doubling all day now, I mean.
Hey man, one bad day doesn't shift the identity.
You say what?
One bad day doesn't shift the identity.
Yeah, well, I'm going off the whole last month, nigga. I'm going off the month, my nigga, see? And if I go to the all-time, I'm almost down a band.
Shit,
but like I said, most of that was when I was trading stocks and shit, though.
Yeah, I think I gotta just call it a day on this.
Like QQQ, let me see what it's talking about. Showing you want to, yeah, you know, because it ain't closing above it.
It closed above 744.50, but it just fell back below.
No, my zone is 744.64.
Yeah, nah. It's not about to do it for me.
I'm up $20 for my play of the day. Should I just get out? Then I only be down $20 on the whole day? Or should I try to ride it out?
You just tell me, how sick would you be if it starts reversing? Fuck, because I know I'm telling you I'm sick that this bitch just reversed. Yep, it's going back to 744.
Did you get out already?
Nah, I'm setting up to sell now.
Damn, Tesla was literally in consolidation. You know when Tesla's gonna break out? When niggas can't trade. That shit's gonna go straight to TP what, nigga? That shit's gonna go up $6 after market.
What is all of this? I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm trying to sell on the computer belt. We keep popping up with all these different questions and shit. Like, nigga, sell it. Damn, doggy.
Wait, I got $2. See if I can find a quick put for $2 on QQQ.
Let me hold for a second. Honestly, I don't think this bitch is about to return all the way back to 755 no more. Or 745.
Oh yeah, Nvidia's going down, oil's going up. Shit, so we should have been looking at that shit. I just got into a $2 put.
Damn it, dog. I can't even be mad. Because ain't nobody tell me to get my black ass in no more plays. I just sold for an L, cool.
Did you really?
Yes, sir. Sold for an L. I'm tired of taking all these L's, nigga. I ain't taking no more L's this week on the charts, bro. I refuse. I fucking refuse. Tomorrow we going back to the basics. We going back to the drawing board. And if it's green, I'm taking it. If it's green, I'm taking it. I don't give a fuck if it's $5, bro. I just got to go back to the basics and one, just get my confidence back up. Cause like even if you right on a small win, you feel good. If you wrong, bro, it don't matter if you was wrong $5 or $50. Seeing that red, seeing that negative, and knowing it was a L, it just feels some type of way, bro. I need to just start compounding dubs. Yes, I trade. I took 3 trades today. I took 3 L's today. And it was only like $30, but fuck. Just because it's $30 that I didn't have to lose, especially because 2 out of the 3 trades went green. I just didn't hold for until the right time. And I should have took an SPX, a put instead of a call. And even after I took the call, I had room to take the put because I saw that the call wasn't validated. So that means the opposite got to happen. Why didn't I just take the put? But it's cool. I'm not going. I think the biggest thing that I'm coming to terms with is being at peace after closing the charts. You feel me? And not being too sick and too salty and mad and shit. Right now, I think Apple put for tomorrow. Yeah, I want to watch Apple for a put for tomorrow. Damn, bro. Why didn't I get a QQQ put? At 746, I should have bought the put. I already knew.
Yeah. I just sold my play of the day for $9.
Who taught me to trade? A combination of YouTube traders and a lot of trial and error. Let's see. There's this dude on YouTube named Charlie. There's this nigga, Charlie, a zip trader, and then Keenan Grace. I will watch them to figure out how to watch stocks. And then I'm pretty sure they both have videos for how to chart. And then for real, in 2019, 2020, one of my homies put me on to this black dude who had a course that he was selling. And yeah, he had bought the course and we watched that. I watched that probably like 10 times. Because at first it didn't make sense. And then after it started to make sense, it still didn't make sense. So long story short, I watched his tutorial all the way through like 3 to 5 times, and it was over an hour long. And so after the third time I watched him explain it, I just started trying it. And then from there, I found Keenan Grace, I found Zip Trader, and then there's this dude called The Trading Fraternity on YouTube as well. I used to watch him every morning. Every single morning, I would just get on YouTube and I would watch his videos. and I would listen to him too, like when I was driving and stuff. And so from there, it just became trial and error. Is really not as hard to learn as people think it is. It's the fact that it's a lot of numbers. And like looking at this right here, it looks very overwhelming, but it's really all the same stuff. Like each one of these ticks is just representing the same thing, the price of the stock at a certain period of time. So each one of these is 1 minute on the clock. And then these blue lines is just showing me the places where the price has hit before. So I know what to expect in the future. And then these right here are just letting me know the average for the price and when it's getting close to it. So like if it falls below this line, that means it's breaking the average price of the stock. And then these right here is the average price over 250 days. This is the average price over the last 20 days. And so I'm just looking at the average prices over the course of time and then the pattern that these are making. Oh, you see, this is a bunch of red candles going down. I'm going to assume it's just going to keep going down. And before this happened, I could see one, two. And so this is forming an M. Once it got here and this happened, I could just assume it was going to keep going down. And so it's partially based off of just making educated guesses and assumptions. Not even partially, it's mainly based off of educated guesses and assumptions, while also making your support and your resistance, which is these blue lines. So you can see where it's been and try and determine where it's going. But yeah, so what I'm about to do for tomorrow, I'm gonna expect as long as QQQ holds 743. Let me write this. If QQQ holds 743 around open, I see it going back to 746. This is another thing, bro. Writing down what you expect to happen. I don't be writing down nothing no more. When I was swing trading and making money, I would write down, wow, this is where my SD cards are. I was looking for these. That's funny. But yeah, I would write down my price projections and my target prices. Now I just be looking at support and resistance and going straight from there. But yeah, dog, if any of this shit I'm saying is making sense, like the screen, put some taps on here, please. Help get this out to more people. And if you have a specific question, feel free to ask. So yeah. So if QQQ holds 743, what is that? 743.20. Then I see it going back to 746. Below that, we got 742 to 740 to 739. Why did I want to start trading? Because of the possibility of freedom. You can make like literally endless. I don't want to say endless amounts of money, but it's just a way to make more money in less time than trading time at a job. Essentially, it's like yesterday, within an hour, we watched $300 be made. And I say watched because I sold early. I sold for a win, but I didn't even sell for 20%. I I bought a stock or I bought an option for $40. An hour and a half later, it was worth $180. 2.5 hours later, it was worth $500. There's not very many places that you can go and turn $40 into 300 plus while sitting in one spot. And all it would have taken is some patience. I got impatient, so I sold early. But that's the reason I wanted to trade because I've seen the opportunity to make exponentially more money in a shorter period of time than any job I've ever worked. And I have actually made money doing it before myself. Like I consistently made $250 every week for like 3, 4 months, which doesn't sound like a lot of money, but ask somebody for $1,000 at the end of this month and see if they give it to you. Or better yet, just give somebody $250 every week and see one, if it doesn't, you feel me, take a toll on your pockets, and two, how appreciative that they are. And so, yeah, I came up with a method that was a guaranteed $250 every week. What up, Pam? How you feeling? Mm, I don't really want to even make too much of a projection on the SPY. No, thank you. I'll be trying to keep them different, keep them interesting. You feel me? Last night I was cooking. Today we here showing people how to make money. I just done everything I be doing in my life. You feel me? It's like we're all multifaceted. Like I said, you ask people what made me want to do this to make money. We all need more bread, and we all like entertainment, whether it's movies, music, books. Like we're all multifaceted. So I just be trying to show all sides of myself. You feel me? What up, Leanna? How we feeling? Right now, I'm just trying to figure out my support and resistance levels for SPY. Right now, the support is like 758.80. I'd really just call it 759. Target price would be 760. Target price 762. Or really, I'm gonna try and see tomorrow where it opens. Because right now, all day it hasn't fallen below 758.80. So if it holds that 758.80 into tomorrow, I'm gonna look for a 760. Let me zoom out a little bit. From 758.80, we'd be looking at really, yeah. So much stuff be happening in the aftermarket these days. After hours. I guess it's a cool, what, $757, almost a $2 move. I think SPX is gearing up for a breakout tomorrow. Or I guess it had a little breakout today. What is that? Today it opened at what? 7586. So it's that, I guess, almost a $40 move. So 7603. If it breaks out of 7603, we got room to 7592. And if it holds 7603, we got easy upside to 7616. And if it hits 7592, we can expect 7580. And if it hits 7581, we got room back to 7570. But if it breaks past 7620, I think we just in the green after that. We're just going up. Honestly, I don't see that much downside. We ain't had that much downside in the market this whole year for real. I won't say this whole year, but like in the last 2, 3 months, for the last 2, 3 months, stocks have just kept going up, like continuously just going up. It's actually asinine because the main thing I be thinking is like, this is not that sustainable. Like, how long are we going to continue to do this? We can't do this for forever, dog. Is this today? This fell $10 today? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's asinine. Mainly because I didn't see it at no point. Bruv. And there's still more room to the downside? Oh no. What's going on with Nvidia? So right now I'm just drawing my support and resistance. So I have some history to look at and see what to expect out of this for the upcoming trading days. It said if you don't know where you don't know where you headed if you don't know where you've been going. Or show me your past and I'll show you your future. That's why we draw this support and resistance line so we can see what it's been doing and get a better idea of what to expect up out of it. It's like getting relationship history. If she done cheated on her last 5 boyfriends, she gonna cheat on you too. What? All right. I'm drawing more than I need just in case it goes somewhere uncharted. My bad. Y'all have my whole face on my bad. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm getting in there. You feel me? So the first rule of trading is have rules. Is have rules. Know your expectation, know your loss threshold, and take profit. See green, take green. That's my biggest rule these days. See green, take green. There's been so many times I've had trades 30%, 50%. I've had trades even 100% just for me to end up selling out for a 20% loss, a 10% loss. And it's just because you get too excited and you start holding on, knowing that at any given moment, everything can drop, everything can shift. So it's really you see green, take green. And one of the biggest things I found for helping me take profit is just developing a take profit rule at a percentage as opposed to an amount, not a dollar amount, a percentage. If it goes up 20%, I'm selling out. Even if that 20% is only $10, I'm gonna follow my rules. Because if that 20% or 30% turns into $100 or $1,000, I'm gonna still follow the same rule. And that's one thing I've learned is like people fail in life for a lack of systems and following the system and the rules. You can have a great idea, but if you can't implement a repeatable structure and system, you're going to be in a bad position. And that's been the biggest thing I've been trying to implement over the last year is better systems. Not, you feel me, at the drop of a dime, flailing around trying to figure stuff out. You already have a system. You know what to do now, and you know what's going to happen next. Well-oiled machine is what we trying to be out here. All right. So tomorrow I'm gonna be looking for NVIDIA to break 224. If it can break 224, then I can see it going to 229. And if it breaks 229, then we got 232. So target price 1 is 224. Target price 2 is 229. Target price 3 is 232. And if it falls below 221, then I can see it going to 218. And if it hits 218, and we got it to 216 to 214. All the way to 212. All right, so we're gonna watch NVIDIA, we're gonna watch SPX, we're gonna watch SPY, QQQ, and what else? I think we'll go with Apple. Yeah, we'll go with Apple just because I'm expecting it to have a retrace tomorrow. Ain't no way Apple about to hold all these gains. It never does. Apple is one of those rinse and repeat cyclical stocks. It had a nice little breakout today, though, boy. A $10 move. Yeah, the $10 move on Apple means we coming back down tomorrow. Honestly, I'm gonna keep this one simple. I'm gonna keep this one mad simple. I think these is the only lines I really need for this one, especially because it was such a clean breakout. It's gonna have to retest this. So right now, I'm gonna say I'm gonna expect Apple to retest 314.04. And then my bearish target price is gonna be 312, 312 into 309, and 309 into 307. Now, is that necessarily going to happen? I don't know. But this was a nice little recovery breakout. I say recovery because it's already been to 313 before. That was a nice little steady climb.
See that?
What's good?
You see QQQ?
Nah. What it do? Break out or fall down?
Nigga, go look at that W, nigga.
Second.
Go look at that W, nigga.
Yeah, I'm charting for Apple real quick, so I have a reference for tomorrow.
I can tell you what Apple doing tomorrow. I can tell you what Apple gonna do tomorrow, nigga.
Forget that. What happened to the play?
You see that W though?
Oh, the play came back.
All you gotta do, the right entry is waiting for it to be formed and catch the breakout of it. But man, imagine knowing that W's do that, bro, and catching that from the bottom right into the top.
Bruh. All that means is I sold for another loss for no reason.
Another one, bro.
I'm down 40 on the day, dog. For no reason. I could have at least got break even. But also, it's the end of the day. It's what, 15 minutes left?
Yeah, I'm looking at the chart on my trading view. I'm trying to think, why did I sell? I'm trying to think, where did we get in at?
I sold because of time.
We still got a whole hour, right? 4 o'clock.
3:30. It's 3:15 right now, right?
That move happened at 3 o'clock.
Oh, this big candle right here, this big green.
Yeah.
3:05. I'm looking at the 5-minute. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I want a 5-minute.
Nah, I hear what you're saying. I am curious where I sold at now. Looking at the 1 minute. Because after, what, 257, it just continued up. But at the same time, dog, we talking about $3, like. But I did sell for a big ass
execution,
loss.
nigga. We're talking about execution.
That part. What is this right here? What am I doing?
It didn't close below VWAP. Yeah, I really don't know why I got out. But, you know.
The question is, does it hit 756? Because if this bitch hit, 746. If it hit 746, then I'm sick.
Today?
Yeah, if it hits 746 today, I'm sick because that means we were in the money, or we would be in the money. You feel me? Shit's gone 100%.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna trip on it. I'm not gonna trip.
Yeah.
But I have my target prices for tomorrow.
Yeah. See that we right there, bro. Nigga, we literally right there, bro. We had all the right trades, bro.
Nigga, the hard part is understanding the shit. So yes, we are right there, bro, because we know what the fuck we be talking about.
But we're just doing something wrong. I'm making a new rule on my chart too, bro. I gotta do three trades max, bro.
Yeah, so right now I got QQQ, SPY, SPX, NVIDIA, and Apple. Cause see, look, bro, it reversed that quick. You feel me? It reversed that quick. It took all them candles to get back up there, and 2 to get rid of all that gain. So, but yeah, and I'm about to write my target prices. I have my target price for NVIDIA for if it goes up and if it breaks down. I got my target price for SPX for if it goes up and if it breaks down. I got my target price for SPY only if it goes up my target price, but then I have my resistance level. I guess I need to make my SPY for the downside.
Yeah.
But Apple, if it does go bearish, I want it to retest 314.04. And if it can't hold it, it's going to 312. If it break 312, we got 309.
You said that's Tesla?
Apple.
Apple, let me see. You said if it breaks what?
314.04.
You got it going where?
To 312. Because right now it's dancing between 314, like 314.60, 70, and 315. So
yeah, I think it's gonna run up by the end of the week, 323.
Has it been there
That's
before?
That's my overall
Has
price
it been to
direction.
320 before?
You said what?
Has it been to 320 before?
No, Apple's at an all-time high right now.
You know what's the craziest thing, bro? I had shares of Apple at $100-something, bro, when we were in OC.
Yeah.
Multiple shares, bro.
Damn, you look at the Apple on a 3-month, bro, that 3-month candle is strong as fuck. Apple been doing nothing but running it up. That's how niggas need to start catching these swings, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Nigga, back when at the Cali days, I was looking at stocks, bro. I'm looking at some of the stocks I was buying back then, bro. I was like, if I was just held,
bruh.
If I just forgot my account, if I forgot my account password and remember this shit now, nigga, I'll go to that shit. I'll be up, bro. All those shits, some double, some more than double, triple, nigga.
Bruh, I had shares in Tesla. I had shares in Apple. I had shares in Palantir. Like,
yeah, Palantir, yeah. Had that one for sure. Ain't that crazy, bro?
So crazy, bro. That's why so many people preach just hold. You feel me? Invest and hold.
Shit sucks with us though, because that was during COVID. Niggas needed money ASAP. We was trying to make shit quick, bro.
Bruh, after I moved out, nigga, I ended up selling off my account just to pay rent.
Yeah. That's why I just erased all those other stocks I got that I'm learning about these people and shit, because all those shit's is long term, bro. Do I have long term money right now? Absolutely not. So until I build up that income, I'm just focused on these option shits, master that shit, and then go from there.
I'm starting to question, like, is that a smart? Just because that was my whole idea. And then I'm like, damn, nigga, I done ran up my account and burnt it out when I could have just invested in hell.
Yeah.
I would definitely probably be at 100% returns based off of what I have been invested in. Because I only had good shit, bro. I only had good shit. But like you said, it was during the COVID and into COVID days. So like niggas needed money, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But that's also when I realized like this was possible. Cause like there was times, bro, where I sold where all I did was options, bro, and it paid my rent for the month. It just was so inconsistent. Whereas like, all right, I hit today, it's Friday, rent was due on Monday. I just cashed out 80% of my account to pay rent. And now I'm trying to start all over with $200-$300. You feel me? And then that 300 turned into 150. A nigga don't got no money coming in. Now I'm stressed, bro. I gotta turn this 150 into a band in the next. You feel me? Like that amount of anxiety around it also wasn't helping.
Mm-hmm.
It's like
Oh,
everything was
bro.
on making the right move, and if I lost $25, it was a fuck. Like, so I don't know. I'm glad that I learned it when I was so stressed out. You feel me? Because now I can have fun because I'm not stressed. At least I'm not stressed the fuck out no more.
Facts. Oh yeah, I heard you say something about Keenan Grace. I pay monthly. I'm in his Discord.
Yeah, I used to be in it. That's where I learned a lot from him. And then there's this dude named Charlie. It's like Charlie Zip Trader. I mean, bro, you seen the shit that I was watching because I would watch him right in the living room on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Those were the niggas that helped me learn, bro, and showed me like what stocks to invest in for long term, and then just paying attention to like SPY and SPX and like realizing that a lot of things move together.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to narrow my shit down too because so right now I'm in Keenan Grace Discord. You ever heard of Chris Sting?
Mm-mm.
He's an older dude. He's kind of big on YouTube too. I'm in his Discord. Um, I'm in this Twitter subscription group, and where he give out plays and shit like that every day. And which I got to go over his plays because he calls some shit for swing trades. Because he been posting these results back before I was in the group. Just the profits and his plays that he called that's doing good now from swing trades and shit like that. So I'm about to start looking into those for real too. And I'm about to just go off what I trade my seven shit and those three groups. That's all I'm about to just focus on and not all this extra shit because throwing niggas off.
Yeah, I'm in one Discord now that I fucked around and accidentally paid for. And my nigga be making good calls, bro. Like I've watched this nigga make $100,000 in one day, bro. You feel me? I watched him over 200, 300%. He plays a lot of QQQ, and he's the person who turned me on to SPX because he used to play SPX a lot like a year or two ago. But consistently, his most consistent like big thing is QQQ and Tesla on Fridays. These niggas had me double my account, bro, in one Tesla contract. And outside of that, I don't really be looking around too much no more. I have some people on Twitter that I used to look at that every now and then I'll check in the morning just to see their like target prices for certain things. But like going trade by trade and following along, I don't really be doing that with nobody no more, bro. Partially because once I did, sometimes it would just get me too excited or I would jump in too much. But yeah, I'm not gonna if I do get in the Apple call, I'm just gonna aim for 316, 317 ish to like 320. After 320, bro, it's unprecedented. I'm not gonna ride it to 323 if even you feel me. It is unless I buy like out the money and get like three. And it has to break 315 and hold. Like 315.50 for me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to make a cheat sheet. This is what I'm doing for tomorrow. Oh, I got QQQ. I'm gonna make this cheat sheet and then drop it in the chat.
Yeah, I can't believe I almost had a sports betting channel, nigga.
What you mean?
Yeah, they gotta have people pay me thinking I was going to launch a Discord channel for sports betting. And I went on this hot streak for a little bit, bro. But now that same channel, I'm about to create to a trading channel.
You see, I'm on live right now, dog. People was asking me questions on TikTok for a second.
You got you a Discord started?
Fuck, yes, but not for trading. I started one because I started trying to make a course for acting and shit to help people get auditions and their headshots and everything. I don't think there's even one motherfucker in there. Build it and they will come.
Mm-hmm.
You stop sports betting?
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, I never figured out how to even do it, dog. I still got $20 in my top picks or my prize picks because I never could figure out how to even fucking place a bet. And I fucked up. As the niggas was like, you use it, you be using it. Sign up with just, you feel me, and you'll get a free $50. Nigga, I signed up without the code and put the money in. So it was just me putting $20 in that bitch. I was trying to get to 50.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm making my cheat sheet for the rest of the week. I'm about to close the market and call it a motherfucking day. What's up, Maya? How you feeling? All right, guys. I think I'm about to hop off this, finish up trading. Actually, I'll go ahead and wait for this PDF, and then we're gonna switch gears, get the energy up, play some music, schedule some releases. I'm not gonna lie, man. Going on live be getting me discouraged as fuck these days. My shit used to go up, bro. On TikTok live, I used to get a couple hundred people in there every day. If I stayed on for an hour or two, bro, I would get like three, four. Actually, I'd probably there's been times, bro, I had over 1,000 people in my live, like over the course of an hour or two. There's been times I had like 150, 200 people listening at one time. Shit do not be hitting like that no more, dog.
Just gotta keep going, my boy.
That's what motherfuckers be saying. Is really what it is at first though, is I really wasn't looking at how many people was in it. It's like I would get 5 people, 10 people, and I would just keep the conversation going. And then I would look down and be like, damn, there's 100 people live right now. But I would be having conversations about actual questions. You feel me? Like what ruined modern day dating? There was one time I asked, it was like, are black men the least desirable? You feel me? And we would argue dumb shit like that.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, man. Fuck it. I'm about to be there with you. So when you record, when you go live off your phone or your laptop.
Both.
Okay.
Oh, I started off just using my phone. I would connect my phone to my computer, but I realized that if I'm in decent lighting, the light from the computer is all right. That's why I went back to it. 'Cause at first, I was using the phone just because the camera quality is higher on the phone, and the phone automatically connects to the computer. You got a Mac, right?
Yeah, I got a MacBook.
Yeah, if you got a Mac, bro, the camera will from your phone will automatically connect to the computer, and so I started using that.
So so if I stream on YouTube, I click it on my phone and then plug it up to my computer,
No,
or one or the other.
if you stream on YouTube, just use your phone straight to YouTube. I'm saying I
So
would
all right, but
connect
then
my
the phone will then the phone will be looking at me, right?
yeah.
So how would I get it to look at the screen, like my chart and shit?
So when I go on YouTube, I'm using my computer and another app.
I'm about to see. You can stream whenever. You don't gotta have any followers or anything.
No, you just gotta have a YouTube account.
I don't even know how to go live, to be honest. How do you go live, dog?
Are you on your phone or you on your computer?
I'm on my computer.
Uh,
See the.
so
I see people that is live. Do I go to create?
I don't.
Oh
I've
yeah,
never
go
done
live.
it straight from the computer. I use a website, but yeah,
Once
go
it's
live.
once we once it requested, it may take up to 24 hours to go live. To assist live streaming on desktop, verify your number. Damn, I should have held that shit, nigga. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So when I go live on the computer, I'm not using YouTube or any of those websites. I'm using a third party app. And that's why I said my camera will connect to it. As your camera will just connect to the computer. You feel me? Like you have the QuickTime. Is QuickTime where if you were just recording videos on the computer, you could use your phone instead of the computer camera.
Let me say that last part again.
So you can record on your computer using your phone. You can connect your computer to your phone and use that camera instead of the one built in.
Type shit.
I'm assuming you could do it on YouTube too. You just have to connect the camera to the computer. And so if you go to QuickTime, you can connect your phone to your computer and use that camera. Is that even on Discord, I can use my phone as my camera instead of use my computer camera. And so for some time I was doing that, but then I also would just go live straight from my phone. Usually on TikTok, I just go straight from the phone. It's easier.
Type shit, not yet.
Well, here's a little cheat sheet for tomorrow. I'm off the charts for today. Fuck this shit. You work today?
I gotta go in and take a test.
I think I'm about to go live and do some reaction videos. Low-key, I'm thinking about getting, I can't even, a NVIDIA Swing. It looks like it's about to retest that 218 level. It just broke below my 221. Honestly, I don't feel like thinking about this shit no more right now. You laughing at me?
Yeah.
This nigga done said he was done 3 times.
Man.
I'm like fucking with these hoes. They say you done 50 times and still be talking to the little bitch. But yeah, all right. Let's hard reset.
Damn, my computer is fucking dirty as fuck, nigga. Where's my other phone at? I'm persuaded. What's so funny, nigga? You hear that?
Yeah. It just came out of nowhere.
Because I was listening to my godly message, man. That's what you heard, but
it was just loud.
It was just loud. Damn, how many accounts do I have? What is this account? All right.
I think I might go to the studio. Actually, I think that's gonna be the lick for the day.
Go to the studio.
Yeah. I said I was about to film some content. So I'll film it in there. The reaction videos. Might as well do it there. Get me out the house.
How the fuck do you go live off your phone? Oh, I'm not trying to upload no short, nigga.
Now we gotta go help people customize and save hundreds with Liberty Mutual.
Anything gotta be. Yeah.
Hold up, I'm driving.
Damn, man, I'm all out of weed though. I see you looking, I see you.
Oh shit! I done walked away. Still got the stream up. All right, we about to